Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you accidentally logged a 5k as 2k, forgot to rename your run. So basically, in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to edit an activity in Garmin Connect app in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So, first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go all the way to look for Garmin Connect app, tap on the app like this, then use your email address and password to actually log in. So, after logging in, we're gonna go through the challenges or the calendar, it depends on you. As you see here, in these challenges, I have my weekly challenge. I can even create a challenge, join weekly steps challenge, all of this. You can even go to the calendar here, which basically shows you the timeline. If you did any basically type of sports, you can even go to the news feed. But for you guys, go all the way to this three dots menu in basically here, then tap on edit your activity when you see it. So you will be having a list of activities. Go all the way and edit your activity by tapping on this three dot menu. Then here you can change the activity name, activity type, run, trail run, bike or whatsoever. You can even look for description, privacy. If it's for everyone, it's for connections. If it's for only you, you can even basically change the gear if you want to, which shoes or bike you used. But what you cannot edit, I'm talking here about distance, time and duration, pace, heart rate data, and even the GPS track. Since these are logged, the activity is a recording, not a form. So if your distance is wrong, you must delete the whole activity and manually add a new one with the correct stats. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.